We're dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh.
Oh, hello there. Great to see you again. Oh, it's very dusty. Nice. All wibbly and wobbly. Oh, no, not a sneeze now. What a masterpiece. That's not to be sneezed at.
What can we do with paint like this?
What can we do with paint like this? Let's have a think, shall we? Don't worry, I'm not going to squeeze and squirt this paint everywhere. No way.